Get ready with me, but if I say the word the, I have to stop getting ready and end the video. These challenges never go well for me. So let's get ready. So basically, just like last time, I'm so nervous. I've done this like a million times. I did it with the word is, this, like, you know, like that. But basically, I think what I'm going to do is if I say it while I'm using the product, then I'll stop. You know what I mean? Okay. But obviously, first, we're starting with eyebrows. When do I not? Okay, and my goal for this is, making sure I didn't say it, is to basically just talk normal and see how far I get. I don't even know if I said it already. Like, I honestly don't. Brush, brush, brush these eyebrows. Excuse me, truck. That truck is literally always outside when I'm getting ready. But you guys, the sun is out today. I just said it. I swear, I don't even realize I say it. I'm just trying to, like, keep going. But it's really hard, you guys. These challenges are really hard. Trust me. Okay, at least we got somewhat of the eyebrows brushed. I don't know. However, now we really, really need to hydrate these lips. I said these. And this is literally my favorite one ever. It's in Wild Cherry, and it's so good. I have to get some of it out. That's how much I've used it. Do you? I mean, look how pretty this beautiful, like, red tint is. I love it so much. And you guys, I wore yellow today because the sun's out, you know? I just said it. Okay. Well, at least we got some of the product on, you know? It's better than nothing. I will take it. Okay, but now we have to figure out what we're doing with this hair. I don't know. I do have to brush it first, though. I don't know. We got our brush. That truck is always outside when I get ready in the morning, I swear. We're just gonna brush this hair. Hopefully we could get all the knots out as well. I literally just said it. And that truck is confusing me. It's so loud. Okay, well, we definitely did not get to brush the hair well at all. Honestly, I really have so many knots. It's so bad. I don't know what hairstyle to do. I don't know. I actually could do a ponytail, like with a braid. We could do that. What do we think, guys? I'm gonna throw it into a ponytail. Did I say I'm gonna? No, not gonna. I don't know. These challenges really confuse me. Okay, the hair is in a ponytail now. Maybe we'll just braid the ponytail. I don't know. So I realized it just said braid the ponytail, but I didn't do it yet. I don't know. No, I'm the worst at these. I know. I'm aware. You don't have to tell me. I might just do like a rope braid type thing, only because it's really simple and easy. I literally love this braid so much. Like, who doesn't love a rope braid? I don't know. It's like so simple and easy at the same time, and it's so pretty. It's like a great way to spice up your ponytail. You guys, if I also wanted to, I could take this and just wrap it in a bun. What do we like better? Do we like the bun? The ponytail? The bun. The ponytail? What do we think? I don't know. You guys, I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think's better, the bun or the pony. I don't know. I think we'll just leave the ponytail for now. I just said it. I don't know. But lastly, of course, obviously, we need some perfume. And I absolutely love this one so much. It's the Touchlands Power Essence. I just said it. Are you kidding me? Like, I can't use perfume? What is happening? You guys, this is really hard. Like, really hard. But okay, I guess I'm done getting ready for the day. This was so much fun to do. But please put in the comments what word I should try to do next. I don't know. Bye, guys!